Yeah, hi everybody, welcome back, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mark. Okay, so I wanted to put this video together, and this is a couple of pieces of cheap camping kit, yeah, for under €25 that I found to be amazing out there in the outdoors, in the field, yeah. So I'll just go by them one by one and tell you why they've helped me, yeah. So I'll be honest about this. I'm not going to be critical because these are great pieces for under 25. That's what I think I call the video. But anyways, dry bags and stuff sacks. Forget about the dry bag sinks, not fully waterproof. They're repellent or something, yeah. But stuff sacks, you can stuff your stuff. You can stuff your gear way down, yeah, in size, take up less room in your backpack, yeah. So this is actually my tent, and it has a bag already, but this just gets it smaller and tighter. My pillow, my tarp, again there was a bag in that, it was a cheap string in it and it fell out, the string did, so I just put it in one of these, and I'll three more for various things, clothes, some electrical equipment, power banks and such, yeah. So I found it is very helpful for the 6 of them. I think they're $22.99 on Amazon somewhere. So yeah, they've been good to me, and they functioned, and that's what I need. I need stuff that's going to function, and that's what you need as well. So another thing is this. It doesn't look like much. It looks like a Red Dead Revolver chow plate from the Wild Wild West, but that's been so vital to me. Obviously I've used it as a plate for eating, but I've been able to put that into the fire with these gloves, put it into the fire, cook up steaks, mushrooms, anything you need, some good food while you're out there, yeah, on the fire. So this has been brilliant. I think I have it 2+ years at this stage. It's changed colour. It used to look really new. I'll show you a picture of how it looked when it was new. Yeah, you see that? Totally different, isn't it? But I love it. I love it. It's burnt, it's battered, but it's been so very useful. So yeah, that's a Tokes, actually. I should have said that. It's a Tokes. The widest one you can get, I think it's, I'll show you, it's a 14 inches, I think. No, that's not 14 inches. No, 8 inches wide. Anyways, it's a Tokes one. Yeah, so these are a pair of gloves. This is my second pair because I bought them again because it was my fault. I ripped them. I was pulling them too hard, and yeah, they ripped. But so this is my second new pair that I bought. These are great for the fire. I mean, they're not fireproof or anything, but you can use them, and it just makes life so much easier to put your hand into the fire, yeah. And like that, I can use these to pick up that and then out the fire. You know, that's been a brilliant. That's been a brilliant piece of kit. I think that when I first bought them, they were over €22, but I've seen them gone down to about €15 or €16 on Amazon. Yeah, so well worth it, and you have them years. I know I said I bought them, but I ripped them. That was my mistake. But they're well worth having your kit, yeah, or a pan like this. So the next thing, actually, now I'll come to this. This is an open L, yeah. The French knives, yeah. Is that in focus? I don't know. They have a very simple piece here, so they don't cut back down on you. So far, this has been my best kitchen knife for when I'm preparing food, when I'm cutting meat. I cut a large onion with this, no problem. I slice through it. They are very, very sharp. This is a number 8, and I think they're about €15. This is the one with the oak handle, so this was €20, but you can get one of these. Same blade, everything's the same. for about 15 euros. That's a good blade. Cooking wise, yeah. I'm not putting it up against this Swiss Army knife, yeah. I'm not putting it up against that. I'm just saying for cooking, for bushcraft, that's a great little blade to have. It does what it says on the tin, yeah. So, yeah, so this little gadget, it was $24.99. What is it, you might say? It's a fan. No, it's not actually a fan, but it could be a fan, and it does fan the fire if you're out there, which we found out the other night. Instead of you use this. Kaboom. Anyways, this is for air mats. You're not meant to blow up air mats manually, yeah, because you'd be putting moisture inside them and that can damage them. So you can use it with this. Oh, actually, you can put a cloth across it, okay, and blow it up. Then it's not going to as much moisture in, but moisture does get in. So you use this for most of the way, and then you put the cloth over, and then put the last few ins to make it a bit firmer, yeah. So this, I have to say, because I've been using the Trekologies, this thing is brilliant, yeah. Instead of like there's a lot of air going into them Trekologies, so this thing is brilliant. I have a new air mat on the way, so I can go out and do a lot more wild camping in the winter and be comfortable. That's the main thing, be comfortable. You can go wild camping in the winter and not be comfortable, freeze your balls off, come close to hypothermia, but no, I'm not doing that, or I'm not doing that anymore. I want to be comfortable. So this is a great little piece of kit. $24.99. Yeah. Anyways, we leave that there. Where am I? I've done all of this. Yeah. A spirit burner. It's just a little spirit burner. I'll be doing a good few, because it's winter. I'll be doing one-nighters. So I'm just driving down, climbing somewhere, wherever I'm doing. So I'm going to bring this with me. It's so lightweight. I might bring gas as well, but I'm only going to use it 3 times. So about 100 mils, 150 mils of alcohol fuel will do that 3 cook-offs for me. So it's so light. And the alcohol fuel then is so light. The plates are so light. The stand for it. It's I just love it. I just love it, and I love using it. I love the silence of it. I love that I don't carry big, heavy gas canisters, or even the small ones are lighter, the 110 gram ones. But then you've got to bring your gas burner and so on. This is super light. This thing's about like 80 grams, you know, and then 100 grams with the fuel. So I'm only doing 3 little burn offs, 3 cooking arrangements. Then this is great. So last but not least, this was 20 euros. When I bought it, at least, okay. Boundless Voyage, titanium. Now, if you watch my videos, you've seen me cook loads of stuff on this. We got a leg of lamb, a full leg of lamb on this. We have the strings, you get the strings with it. They're not the same price. I had to buy them separately, was what I mean. But we had a whole leg of lamb hanging off that. It's brilliant. I can place it on 2 rocks. I can place it on 2 long logs. Put the coals underneath, and I want those logs on either side to burn off then, so I can halve them and fold them. Yeah, this is a great piece of kit. I think out of all these, I think I might love this one. I might love this one the most, but actually, I love this as well. Yeah, but that's the thing, you know. So this is 7 pieces of kit, I think, that have been invaluable to me. I've had great adventures, they performed. Some of them more than one task. So yeah, so look, so anyways, thanks for watching that video, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Ciao for now, bye bye.